Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel Glamour Guru. We're thrilled to have you with us today. If you're new here, we're all about delivering beauty secrets from nature, right to your screen. We unravel nature's treasures and show you how you can use them to enhance your beauty. Remember, if you find our videos helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share your thoughts in the comments section. It helps us grow and continue to bring you the best beauty tips and tricks, and of course, feel free to share our videos with your friends and family. Today, we're uncovering the magic of a common kitchen ingredient that doubles as a hair health booster. So stay tuned, and let's dive right into the power of onions for hair health. Ever felt the despair of running your fingers through your hair only to find a handful of strands? Or the frustration of seeing your once lush locks thinning day by day? Hair loss and thinning hair are common woes, but nature has provided us with a simple, accessible, and effective solution: the humble onion. Onions, besides adding a zesty flavor to our meals, are overflowing with hair-loving nutrients. They are packed with sulfur, a mineral that is essential for the production of keratin, the protein that makes up our hair. This means that using onion can help to strengthen your hair, reducing breakage and thinning. Additionally, onions are a rich source of antioxidants. These compounds fight against the free radicals that can damage our hair cells, leading to hair loss. By including onion in your hair care regimen, you can protect your precious locks from harmful environmental factors. But the benefits of onion don't stop there. They also have potent antimicrobial properties. This means they can help to ward off scalp infections, which can cause hair to fall out. So how can you harness the power of onions for your hair? There are several methods, but one of the most popular is to use onion juice. Simply peel and chop an onion, then blend it in a food processor. Strain the mixture to get the juice. Apply this juice directly to your scalp, leave it on for about 30 minutes, then wash it off. Do this twice a week, and you could see a significant reduction in hair fall. Another method is to create an onion hair oil. Combine chopped onion with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil. Let the mixture sit for a couple of days, then strain it. Use this oil as you would any other hair oil. It can nourish your scalp, stimulate hair growth, and leave your hair feeling soft and shiny. To wrap it up, onions are a natural, affordable, and effective solution for hair loss and thinning hair. They can strengthen your hair, protect it from damage, and promote healthy growth. Whether you choose to use onion juice or onion oil, the key is consistency. Stick with it, and you could see a significant improvement in your hair's health and appearance. So next time you're in the kitchen, spare a thought for the humble onion. Your hair might just thank you for it. Thanks for tuning into our Glamour Guru channel. We hope this video has been informative and helpful, and that you've learned something new about the benefits of onions for hair health. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to natural remedies. So whether you're using onion juice or onion oil, keep at it, and you're likely to see a noticeable improvement in your hair's health and appearance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beauty and wellness tips. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And of course, we'd love to hear from you in the comments section. Let us know if you've tried using onions for hair care, or if you have any other natural remedies to share. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.